We're here at NearDex 2013 to promote the Platinum Curve stairlift. The Platinum Curve's been out now for 5 years, and it's time to refresh the portfolio of products. So this year, more importantly, we're here to launch the Platinum Horizon. This product's got everything, and it's been positioned both in technical specification and price to fit most markets. Every other manufacturer has always gone for a low entry budget model or a high entry, high option level. What we've done is combine the two, put both together. By doing that, we've brought the price down and the specifications gone up. What you've then got is a fantastic product with very good price positioning. It's already received fantastic acclaim today, and we think over the next few months it'll be very well received. So this show is more than important for us. We really want to find dealers which will not only open doors for the Curve, but the straight stairlift will open more doors for the Curve and the straight. This year at the show we did something very different. We decided to launch the straight, have somebody test drive it, and who could better test drive it than Stig. We've had Stig walking around the show. It's created for us a tremendous amount of exposure. His association with test driving and having someone test drive our stairlift has been tremendous for us at the show this year. This new straight, it's got a very high specification, and its positioning within the market has already got good acclaim. What that should do for us as well is open doors on the Curve stairlift. The two together should make things very interesting, not only for Platinum, but also for our competitors.